Half-gallon, acrylic princess-themed desktop kit. The pink lid is castle-shaped complete with purple steeples and a fish feeding hole. Kit includes decorative gravel, small plant and 2 flags. Betta food, Betta bowl and water conditioner samples also included. Ideal for a single Betta. The Princess Castle desktop kit is a fun, bright and great for first-time fishkeepers. Each kit includes a half-gallon clear acrylic vessel, pink castle-shaped top with feeding holes, purple steeples and pink flags. To get your decorating started, gravel and a small plant are included. Simply add more decor to customize your perfect princess castle. To make setup even easier, samples of Aqueon Betta food and Betta bowl plus water conditioner that instantly conditions tap water by neutralizing harmful chloramines, ammonia and heavy metals. This small aquarium is ideal for a single Betta or small tropical fish. Top reviews from the United States. Sturdy and really cute and versatile. I looked and looked for the perfect container to use for a terrarium for my 6-year-old granddaughter's birthday. I wanted it to be magical and sturdy and clear with a lid. This container is perfect. It's small, about 8 inches wide and had the cutest palace to pea lid so it doesn't easily spill. We made it together. We used the gravel that came with it, covered that with fairy moss and decorated it with a tiny succulent in a tree trunk flower pot. We put a butterfly pick inside and a mushroom salt shaker with glitter fairy dust to sprinkle inside the terrarium. We wrapped fairy lights around the turrets and she placed 2 princesses on the top. Totally charming. Anita in VA.